हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आर्यभट्ट आश्रम। मैं हूं महितोष महीप और आप देख रहे हैं यूपीएससी मैथमेटिक्स डिकोडेड। और ये एपिसोड बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इसमें हम कुछ बहुत ही ज़रूरी सवालों का जवाब देंगे और आपको इस पे और भी क्लैरिटी मिलेगी। तो चलिए देखते हैं ये सवाल। हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट आर प्रीवियस ईयर्स इन मैथमेटिक्स ऑप्शनल? हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट आर प्रीवियस ईयर questions in mathematics optional? They are actually the heart and soul of your preparation. But कितने साल तक प्रीवियस ईयर करना चाहिए, ये दिस इज़ अ वेरी जर्मेन क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रीवियस ईयर तो है इम्पॉर्टेंट, लेकिन कैसे करना होता है वो भी आपको हम समझाते हैं। ठीक है, सो आई विल जस्ट गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल। जब आप प्रीवियस ईयर करते हैं तो उसको ऑर्गेनिकली स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में चैप्टर वाइज कीजिए। लास्ट 20-30 ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस को कीजिए, कीपिंग इन माइंड द सिलेबस। जो सिलेबस में नहीं उसको नहीं करना है। तो अगर यूपीएससी के सिलेबस जैसे मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ ओडी है, इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एंड फर्स्ट डिग्री, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, ऑर्थोगोनल, ये इनका सिलेबस है। ठीक है, तो फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ ओडी से जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं उसके आपके पास फॉर्मूला शीट होनी चाहिए, आपकी खुद की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए, एंड देन यू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस। दैट इज मोर देन इनफ। ऑल टॉपर्स आर डूइंग दिस clandestinely, but they are not telling you. So this is in the larger interest. Whatever you have studied, you have to collect those questions. अगर आप खुद में बिलीव करते हैं, खुद से कलेक्ट कीजिए 40 साल के क्वेश्चन, डू योर ओन वर्क, बट you have to solve all these questions. Then you are perfectly fine to go. Then you see 89, तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव है। फिर देखिए ऑर्थोगोनल ट्राजेक्टरी सिलेबस में है तो उस पर सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो आपका प्रिपरेशन यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है। समझ गए? तो अनडाउटेबली PYQs आर द एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन, बट मैं हमेशा कहूँगा फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गेट प्रिपेयर्ड। पहले शिक्षा, उसके बाद परीक्षा। सिलेबस आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए, कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या पूछते हैं वो होना चाहिए, फिर PYQ। यानी फोकस, अटेंशन इज द मेन सोल ऑफ दिस प्रिपरेशन रादर देन डाइवर्जिंग। ठीक है, तो आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन that yes, UPSC will follow highly predictable repeating themes in mathematics. They do. Many questions are repeated in the UPSC examination from the previous year questions, and certain areas they are asking you which is this. So if you just focus on the last 15 years, they give you a great deal of understanding of the topics. But then certain questions from 2000 decade and 1990s and 1980s are also repeated, but you cannot do all of them. You have a crunch of time, so I will be just dwelling on this question. Okay, so that's the thing that most people make, that they leave previous year for the final revision phase. वो उसको रट लेते हैं without understanding organically. So if you do not understand what happens, if you do not understand, then definitely it will be coming out of your mindset. Okay, then comes the part 2, that is strategy and preparation, how the timelines you have to master and how you take test. So the question is how to complete math optional in 8 months. Well, to complete math optional in 8 months, it requires a great deal of planning. It requires great understanding of the syllabus as well as your preparedness which you might have done in your college or your graduation, so on and so forth. So first of all, choose the areas which you are very comfortable with. Start maybe with linear algebra, calculus, geometry, so on and so forth, and then try to do the basic groundwork of these. Leave some areas which you feel difficult, because nothing is easy or difficult. Whatever you feel is difficult is difficult. But then who is the parameter, who is setting the tone? Then definitely UPSC question is setting the tone, right? So if you know the, if you have that emotional intelligence as to which questions would be repeated or which areas they will come, that comes from great deal of sacrifice, a great deal of imagination and ingenuity on your part. So definitely you have to focus first 3-4 months on the basic things, and comprehensive coverage of the topic is very important. You keep a timeline, you make a diary, write down on the register how many hours do you put on mathematics, which areas you have covered so far, have you covered PYQs, have you done the due diligence. Like that you may be able to complete the easy portions, say in 5-6 months, and then you can go for the areas which you feel difficult. Okay. Now, how to revise mathematics optional effectively? The best bet to revise mathematics is not reading or just going through the notes. It's always pen and paper. आप अपने short notes को रखिए, आप एक register रखिए where you are keeping your things like formula, or how certain things you forget, or how you derive things, or certain questions which are very important, and do not assimilate the substandard and the most infamous ones which is available in the market, which is just bombarding you so that you keep going on and on with the 5,000 pages, so on and so forth. It has to be very brisk, and they have to be very brief. So it should be so succinct that you can carry in a pocket, and it should be so simpler that it could be understood by a common man. So that's what Napoleon say about law. So same thing can apply on mathematics, correct? So if you follow these tactics, then that's the thing. So you have to practice time and again. आपको मैथ्स पेन एंड पेपर पे करना होगा, ठीक है? And that will give you a momentum, that will give you a confidence, and you will know that you are there because you have done it umpteen times, and you know there are certain things which are repeated, you know certain areas where you falter, improve upon them, and then if you feel anything, I am here to reach out to you in the large number, because I have mentored and taught many people who got selected, but they are very reticent about their things. So in the larger interest, in the larger public good, I am trying to answer these questions wholeheartedly with a pure intention. And I always tell in my class, the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line, but in ethics, I pursue that the shortest distance between the 2 points is intention. Why are you wasting your precious years, wasting here and there, collecting books and collecting things like that? It's just आपको करना है, that's the thing. 4 बास 24 गजा अंगुल अष्ट प्रमाण, एते पे सुल्तान है मत चूको चौहान. सब कुछ क्रिस्टल क्लियर है, सिलेबस आपको पता है, आपको कंटेंट पता है, आपके पास PYQ है, आप उसको आखिरी दिन के लिए छोड़ते हैं. सबसे बड़ी त्रासदी वही है. उछल जा कूद जा पल में दरी है पार है साथी, न रुकना है तुझे झंडा उड़ा केवल पहाड़ों पर, विजय पानी है तुझको चांद सूरज और सितारों पर. तो आप इस बात को समझिए कि जो इंसान लगातार मेहनत कर रहा है वो डेफिनेटली सफलता पाएगा. देयर इज़ नो शॉर्टकट इन दिस जर्नी. एंड जिस मिट्टी ने लहू पिया वो फूल खिलाएगी ही, थक कर बैठ गए क्या भाई मंजिल दूर नहीं है. दिशा दीप्त हो उठी प्रकाश कर पुण्य प्रकाश तुम्हारा, लिखा जा चुका अनल अक्षरों में इतिहास तुम्हारा. तो कम आउट ऑफ दैट निगेटिविटी जोन, come out of that things. You are yourself the fountainhead, you are yourself someone who is very positively driven, but the point is that you are seeking that validation from external sources. Definitely you are the one who is going to prepare. All one can do from external is to guide you, is to come with a pure intention to help you and make you success, and then detach with you. That's the real Niskam karma. Thank you.